Hello friends, welcome to Sub Coaching channel. In today's lecture, we will be taking the linear equation in two variables. Under that, we will be discussing about the algebraic method to solve the linear equation. In algebraic method, we will be first of all taking your substitution method in today's lecture. So what do you mean by the word substitution? Substitution word से आपको क्या समझ में आता है? जैसे कि कभी आप क्रिकेट मैच देखे होंगे तो कोई भी प्लेयर जब इंजर्ड हो जाता है सो व्हाट द रूल से कि आप उस प्लेयर को किसी और प्लेयर के साथ सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते हो. सो दिस मेथड इज ऑल्सो द सेम. In this chapter, linear equation in two variables, we are using two variables, that is x or y. We can substitute the value of x with y, or you can substitute the value of y with x. बस आपको यही करना है. Let us understand this with the help of an equation, that is x plus y equal to 14. This is your first equation, and second is your x minus y equal to 4. So these are the two linear equations that are given to you. Now you have to solve this equation by substitution method. So substitution methods में this is your equation number 1 and this is your 2. So what you are going to do, from equation number 2 you can write x equal to 4 plus y. You can write from equation number 2 this expression, that is x is equal to 4 plus y. So now what you are going to do, you are going to substitute the value of x in equation number 1. So substituting the value of x in equation number 1. So what is your equation number 1? That is x plus y equal to 14. So what is the value of x over here? What we have find, x is equal to 4 plus y. So that value we are going to be placing in place of this x, that is 4 plus y plus y plus y equal to 14. Y plus y, that is going to give you 2y. 4 when it is going to the right hand side, it will be 14 minus 4, that is equal to 10. So from here y value you are going to get is 5. So now you have calculated the value of y, that is equal to 5. Now you need to calculate the value of x. How you are going to calculate the value of x? Now putting the value of y in equation 1, y की जो वैल्यू अपन कैलकुलेट किए जो कि 5 है, उसको अपन इक्वेशन नंबर 1 में प्लेस करेंगे. तो x प्लस वाई इज इक्वल टू 14. x की वैल्यू, y की वैल्यू अपन क्या फाइंड आउट किया, 5. सो x प्लस 5 इज इक्वल टू 14. फ्रॉम हियर x वैल्यू यू आर गोइंग टू गेट इज योर 9. So from here you can say that the x is your 9 and y is your 5. Is that clear? So let us take another example. These two equations are given. S minus t equal to 3 and second equation is x by 3 plus t by 2 equal to 6. Now these are the two equations that are given to us. So from the first equation that is given to you, you can write the value of s is equal to 3 plus t. We can write minus t when it is going to the right hand side, it will become plus t. So the value of x we have calculated is equal to s is equal to 3 plus t. And now you can see that the second linear equation that is given to you is in a fraction form. So first of all you have to convert this fraction. So how you are going to do? By taking the LCM of 3 and 2. What will be the LCM of 3 and 2? It will be 6. So what you are going to get here? It is 2s plus 3t equal to 6. When this 6 is going over here, it will get multiplied with 6 and you will get 2s plus 3t equal to 36. So this is your equation number 1 and this is your equation number 2. Now what you are going to do, substituting the value of s in equation 2. Is that clear? So जब भी आप कोई भी वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर रहे हो, मीन्स s की वैल्यू जो कि इक्वेशन नंबर 1 था, तो हमेशा उसकी वैल्यू दूसरे इक्वेशन में ही सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है, सेम इक्वेशन में आप सब्स्टिट्यूट नहीं कर सकते हो. इज दैट क्लियर? सो व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू डू दैट, व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू गेट, 2s plus 3t equal to 36. 2 multiply by x. What is the value of x you have got? It is 3 plus t. So you will write s is equal to 3 plus t over here plus 3t equal to 36. Now you need to solve this equation. How you are going to solve this? 2 is going to get multiplied by this number also and with this also. So what you will get? 2 into 3 is 6 plus 2t plus this 3t equal to 36. 2t plus 3t, it is going to give you 5t, and when this 6 will go in the right hand side, it will get subtracted from 36 and you will get 36 minus 6, that is equal to 30. So from here you will get the value of t equal to, when 5 is going here, it will get divided and you will get the value of t equal to 6. So this is how you have calculated the value of t, that is equal to 6. Now what you need to do is you have to calculate the value of s as well as. So now putting the value of t in equation 1. So what you will get, s is equal to 3 plus t. So 3 plus 6, you will be getting 9. So the value of x you got is 9. Is that clear? It is very simple. Only substitution we are going to solve a pair of linear equation. So let us take one more example. Root 2x plus root 3y equal to 0. Root 3x minus root 8y equal to 0. These are the two linear equations that are been given to you. Now you have to solve this linear equation by substitution method. So from first equation that is given to you, what you can write, value of root 2x is equal to minus root 3y, you can write this plus root 3y, when it is going right hand side, it will become minus root 3y. So from here what will be the value of x? X is equal to minus root 3y divided by root 2. This is the value of x what you have got. Now you need to substitute this value of x in equation number 2. So this is your equation number 2. Substituting the value of x in equation number 2. So what will you get? What is equation number 2? That is root 3x minus root 8y equal to 0. So what is the value of x that we have got? Is minus root 3y by root 2. So you need to substitute that. Root 3 multiply by minus root 3 by root 2y minus root 8y equal to 0. Is that clear? So you know root 3 multiply by root 3, what the answer will be? Root 3, whenever it is getting multiplied by root 3, it is going to give you 3. Why? Root 3 when it is getting multiplied by root 3. So you can write this like this, root 3 whole square you can write, and this square and this square root will get cancelled, and the answer you are going to get is your 3. Is that clear? So but we have a minus sign over here, so answer will be minus 3. Minus 3y divided by root 2 minus, you can write root 8 as, root 8 की वैल्यू क्या हो सकती है? यदि अपन इसका एलसीएम निकाले, सो व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू गेट, so root 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. Is that clear? So these two are going to get paired and they are going to come out of the square root and you will get root like this, 2 root 2. So root 8 can be represented as 2 root 2. So here you can write root 8 as 2 root 2. 2 root 2 y equal to 0. Why I have converted this root 8 into this form? Because in the denominator you can see that we are having root 2. So when you are going to calculate, so this should not make any mistake while calculating. So now what you need to do is simply you need to take the LCM. So what LCM you are going to get is root 2 here minus 3y minus root 2 going to get multiplied with this number. So what you are going to get, 2 root 2 multiplied by root 2. What I have told you, 2 multiplied by root 2 multiplied by root 2. Once again root 2 into root 2, what you are going to get is 2. 2 into 2, that is 4. So what answer you are going to get over here is 4y equal to 0. Now this root 2, when it is going to the right hand side and it is going to get multiplied with 0, so root 2 multiplied by 0, that is going to give you 0 only, and minus 3y and minus 4y, that is equal to minus 7y. Is that clear? So what you are going to get is here is minus y equal to 0, or from here y value you are going to get is 0. So आपकी y की वैल्यू कितनी आ जाएगी, 0 आ जाएगी. Is that clear? Now you need to substitute these values in any one of the equation. You can substitute that in equation number 1 or equation number 2 also. So on putting the value of putting y equal to 0 in equation 1, so what you will get, root 2x plus root 3y equal to 0. Y equal to 0, when 0 getting multiplied by root 3, it is going to give you 0 only. So root 2x is equal to 0, and from here x value is going to be 0 once again. So x value भी आपकी कितनी आएगी, 0 ही आएगी. Is that clear? So root 2x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 0 because root 2 when going to the right hand side, it will get divided with 0. That is not possible, so x value will be your 0. So from here x is also your 0 and y that you have calculated, that is also your 0. I hope this video will be helpful for you to solve the question from your substitution method. So I will request you to please solve few more problems from here so that your doubt will be much more get clear. If you like my video, I will request to please share, like and subscribe us.